Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today we are going to see how to convert 12-hour time into 24-hour clock and 24-hour time into 12-hour clock. So let's start. In the first question, we have to convert the given time into 24-hour clock. So how we are going to do this? First of all, whenever we are converting the time into 24-hour clock, instead of AM and PM, we use hours. Okay, so whenever the time is given AM students, you will not do any changes to the time. See, if the time is given in AM, no changes to the number. You will copy the same number and you will write hours in place of AM. Suppose the first question, it is given 3 AM. So what will be the time in 24 hour? It will be 3 hours. For example, if it is 9 AM, then you will write 9 hours. 5 AM, you will write 5 hours. Because whenever the time is given in AM, you will not do any changes to the numbers, to the time. You will copy the same numbers and in place of AM, you will write hours. Now we'll move to the PM question. The D1 we are going to do later on. First we'll move to the G1. So whenever the time is given in PM, in the hour you are going to add 12. In hour you are going to add 12. Okay, and instead of PM you will write hours. Again I am repeating. Whenever the time is given in whenever the time is given in PM, you will add 12 into hours and you will write instead of PM hours. So if you will see the G1 question, in 8 we are going to add 12. So how much we will get? We will get 20, 16 hours. This will be the time. Suppose the time is 9 PM. Okay, then 9 plus 12, it will be 21 hours. Similarly, if it is 6 PM, 12 plus 6, 18 hours. Okay, so if the time is given in PM, you will add 12 into hours and again you will write the time with hours. Now, if the case is of 12 PM or 12 AM, then what you are going to do? Whenever the time is given in PM but the hours is 12, if the hours is 12 and the time is in PM, you will copy the same number without any changes and you will write hours. I told you that whenever the time is in PM, you will add 12 into the hours, but this is not apply for 12 PM. 12 PM means if the hours are 12, minutes can be anything or minutes can be 0 also. So this time how we are going to write? 12, 15 hours. Similarly, if it is 12:25 PM, then also 12:25 hours. Suppose if it is 12:00 PM, then also 12 hours. If this is 12:30 PM, then also it is 12:30 hours. Now, if instead of PM it is AM, then what you are going to do? Okay, instead of PM it is AM. If the hours is 12 and the time is in PM, then what you will do? You will make 12 hours 00 hours. What you will do? You will make 12 00 hours because the 24 hours time starts with 00 hours and AM means this is the starting time. Okay, so this 12 will become 0. So how we are going to write this? This will become 00:15 hours. Okay, similarly if it is 12:25 AM, it will be 12:25, sorry, not 12, 00:25 hours. Suppose if the time is 12:30 AM, then how we are going to write this into 24 hours? It will be 00:30 hours. I hope it's clear. Now, how to convert the given time into 12 hours? If the time is given in 24 hours, then how we are going to convert it into 12 hours? Whenever the time is given into 24 hours, okay, if the given number is smaller than 12, if the given number is smaller than 12, you will copy the same number and in place of hour you will write am. Suppose if the time is 0900 hour. Okay, then what you will do, you will write it as 9 am. So whenever the hour number is less than 12, you will copy the same time and in place of hours you will write am. Suppose the time is 6 hours. Okay, then it will be 6 am. If the time is 11 hours, then it will be 11 am. Okay, sorry. Now if the hour number is greater than 12, see here it is 20, so in H1 I am talking about H1. So if the E1 we will discuss later on. So if the hour number is greater than 12, then what you will do, you will subtract 12 from that number and you will write PM in place of hours, like in question H. Okay, here it is 20, so we are going to subtract 12 from it because it is greater than 12, so it will be 8:47 PM. Clear? Suppose the number is 16:25 hours, then your answer will be, as 16 is greater than 12, so subtract 12, it will be 4:25 PM. If the time is suppose 19 hours, then it will be 19 minus 12, 7 PM. So whenever you are subtracting 12, you will write PM. If you are not doing anything to the number, you will write AM. And when you are not going to do anything to the number, if it is smaller than 12. Now if the time is 12:42 hours, like it is given in question E, if the time is 12:42 hours, it means if the hour number is 12, you will copy the same number and you will write PM in place of hours. Whenever the hour is 12, you will copy the same time and in place of hours you will write PM. But if the hour is 00, like in question B, see in question B, if the hour is 00, it means it's a night time, so we'll write 12:25 AM. It means if the hour is 12, you will write PM, copy the same time. If the hour is 0, in place of 0 you write 12, minutes will be same and it will be AM. I hope it's clear, students, how to convert the given time into 12-hour and 24-hour clock. If you feel this video is helpful for others also, please share with your friends, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.